Here I have my Honeywell aqua-stat relay. You can see the numbers on there. Let me get them closer for you. You see the model number, aquastat relay. Now, I was waiting for the new part to arrive, and I decided to take a look at two of these that I had sitting there that had gone bad. And what I noticed was, I took them apart, and they just have a cover that goes on the front here, slides on. And there's a couple tabs, you unbend them. There's 4 of them. So you unbutton those tabs, this just slides out. There's nothing even really holding this in, so it slides out. And I noticed on both of these relays, in the exact same spot, right here, we have a solder joint that went bad. And it's the exact same on both of them. This one you can see a little better. You see right here, it went bad. So I'm not an electronics person, but this really isn't that hard to fix this. So we're just going to resolder those up and try it out and see if the thing works. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean this area up with a little steel wool. I don't know if this is the appropriate way to clean this or not, I have no idea. But I'll clean that up. I even have a stiffer brush here. Get a little bit of that off of there. Hope they don't damage anything else. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up a little more. Then we're going to try to solder it back together. We're going to do both of these. Okay, the spot I'm going to solder is right there. Kind of right behind this wire where you can't see it. Alright. Like I said, I'm not an electronics person, so this is kind of like taking a shot at it for me. Alright. I soldered it up, so the next thing we're going to do is put it back together and see if it works. Alright, I'm going to solder the other one up. Alright. So I slid the unit back in its container. I'll just bend these tabs back over. That's all it holds it in. Okay, now we're reassembled. Now we're going to give it a quick check to see if it's going to work for us. I hooked up 120 volts to the power. I jumped on the thermostat. So there's a call for heat. There we go. Should we turn our boiler on, huh? So this is the circulator. We'll need 120 volts there. Now, that'll turn the circulator on. So we're good. Circulator's on. This will turn our burner on. And we'll have 120 volts there. And we're good. So this will actually run the boiler. Now, from the circulator, that's 120 volts. Now the burner, that will go to a transformer, and then that's how it energizes the burner circuit. So it's not actually 120 volts. It goes to a 24 volt transformer that sits right here. But as long as you have 120 there, 120 here, on the call for heat, you're going to have your boiler fire up. So, I don't need it now because I bought a new one, but I'll have an extra one or two for the two boilers that I have that use this control. Alright, we're going to test our second one. See how we did with that one. Same thing. Plug it in. Put 120 volts to it, jumped on the thermostat. We'll need 120 volts here, of which we have. So we know the circulator will come on. And here, this will turn our burner on. And we have that. Alright, so this unit will actually run your boiler. So, I replaced two of these on these units, and I had them laying around, and next time I may not have to run and get another one. At least one of these will hold up for a little bit. That's how I fixed my Honeywell Aquastat relay. Now this is your basic relay. I haven't seen one that's any simpler than this one. And like I said, I'm not an electronics expert or nothing, but it seemed like a little bit of solder on those joints would do the trick, and seems like it has.